Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on and off screen on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now to do that, just swipe up and open the app drawer, then go to settings. From here, just tap on display, then go to cover to sleep. Now, just make sure you enable cover to sleep. Now, once you enable this option, you can turn off the screen by placing the palm of your hand over the screen, just like that. Now, to turn the screen back on, just tap on the screen, just like that. And if you want to disable this option, just go to display, then go to cover to sleep and disable this option. And once you disable this option, the screen will not turn off when you place the palm of your hand on the screen. And this is how you can turn on and off screen on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.